Yeah, hey, good morning, everyone, and welcome to Hail Mary Meteorology. This is where weather meets sports. We take a look at how weather may impact outdoor sporting events. And this week, we're going to look once again at the PGA Tour and Live Golf. And this is specifically going to be about the PGA Tour. First, we're going to provide a recap of this past weekend and then jump to the weather forecast for the Players' Championships. Let's first talk about the Arnold Palmer Invitational. Akshay Bhatia won in a playoff over Daniel Berger at 15 under par. This was another signature event, so it was a stellar class of professional golfers there. Bhatia was red hot on the back nine. In fact, that shot, the second shot into 16 on the par 5, was just an awesome golf shot where he made eagle there. Really felt for Daniel Berger. I mean, he led the majority of the tournament. I'd say almost 95% of the tournament from almost start to finish. It's great to see him back in good form. He has had a ton of injuries. And then for a while there on the back nine, there were guys like Cameron Young, Ludwig Ahlberg, and the Pebble Beach champion Colin Morikawa threatening to get in contention. But Bhatia, I tell you, this kid's pretty talented. You know, he was in contention at Pebble Beach, played pretty well at Riviera, and pulled it off. And it's going to be really interesting to see how he performs at the majors, like the Masters coming up in about a month. So this week, the Players' Championship on the PGA Tour. This is in Ponte Vedra, Florida. This is the TPC Sawgrass Players Stadium course, par 72. The defending champion is the one and only Rory McIlroy. And if you heard over the weekend at the Arnold Palmer Invitational, he actually pulled out due to a slight back issue. It tensed up on him. He had some back spasms. He pulled out for precautionary reasons. So let's just jump to the forecast. And let me tell you, it does not look great, especially Thursday, the opening round. Right now, a high of 78. We're talking about showers and thunderstorms, a 70% chance of showers and storms. Winds are going to be out of the southwest initially at the beginning of the day, shifting to the west and then to the northwest. There's going to be a frontal passage here. And that's why the dramatic wind changes here. Gusts or winds are going to be 15 to 20 miles per hour. There could be gusts as much as 25 miles per hour. We're talking about maybe 0.3 of an inch of rain. Chances of thunderstorms or thunder with lightning right now 10 to 20%. So it looks like it's going to mainly be showers, but it really could be difficult playing conditions. I'd be surprised if they get the entire first round in on Thursday. Friday, mostly cloudy with some showers. There's only a 20% chance. Winds are going to be out of the northeast. It means some onshore flow, so a lot of clouds likely. Winds out of the northeast, 10 miles per hour, gusts up to 15. The high's going to be 72 on Friday. Saturday looks really nice right now. Sunny, high of 73. Northeast to east winds at 10 miles per hour. Right now, the chances of rain, 10%. And then finally, on Sunday, partly sunny. There's a very slight chance of showers. No thunderstorms at this point. Chance of precipitation or rain, 35%. The winds will be out of the southeast at 10 miles per hour. Gusts up to 15. And the high's going to be 78 on Sunday. So I'll be back with you in a couple days on Wednesday to provide a forecast update for the 4 rounds, Thursday through Sunday. And until then, we'll talk to you soon. Take care.